Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for a March 17th, St. Patty's Day, 2017. So today was all about digesting the gains from yesterday. A lot of times I call this an Ozzy Osbourne market. What do I mean by that? Everybody parsing through the words of Janet Yellen, everything she's saying, and really not getting anywhere with what it all means. So definitely an Ozzy Osbourne market. So today, digesting some of the gains from yesterday. ESs yesterday were up about 16, down all of 125 today. NASDAQ down 375, Russell up 380. You had the bonds giving back half of yesterday's gains, sharp gains yesterday. You had the industrials down fractionally. Transports, that's a big deal to watch in here. Transports down 48. They were down up about 100 yesterday. But we have to keep an eye on the transports very closely to see if they have another leg down. You had the gold wasn't really up 25. Gold was up 21 yesterday. Gold was up all of $4 today. You had the dollar index down a little. Crude oil down fractionally. The advanced decline all day was positive. Never went negative the whole day. One thing about today that I find fascinating. See the ES is down 125? See how the bonds yesterday just went nuts. Watch this market rally yesterday. Very impressive. Straight up move yesterday. I've talked over and over on Simpler Stocks about the utilities leading the bonds. Look what the utilities did today as a group. I am fascinated they got hit this hard. I still don't know why. Look at that. 0 for 0. Every single one sharply down. Most of them very sharply down for a utility. Now, the reason I'm showing you that is look at something like ED on the left. We go over this all the time in Simpler Stocks. Supposedly, this is what sets us apart from a lot of other sites. We'll go over correlations when other sites just are a little too dry. This is what I wanted you to see on the bonds. This has been going up. These are interest rate sensitive. They should be going down when bonds are selling off. I'm talking about since the beginning of the year. So widen this out. Widen this out. You know, actually you need to put TLT because bonds are 24-hour product. It's a little rough in there. There we go. Right there. And as you see, that has gone down while this has gone up. When I see that, you usually are going to have sharp bounces, and that's exactly what you saw. I don't know if the utilities on the left are a start of a trend on the downside at all because they're over every moving average. But I do know that when everybody wanted to short them 2 days ago, 4 days ago, I warned that you were oversold and over every moving average to avoid it. So there'll be a time and a place. It just isn't now. So to get back in here, you had, like I said, advanced decline moderately up. You had the volatility down again. UVXY down 72. And I know that because we were buying certain spreads that the middle of the spread was depending on the volatility going down. They worked beautifully. To let you know, the Nikkei today down fractionally. The Chinese and the German market up respectively about 0.5% to 0.7%. TLT down 60. So where do we go from here? Number one, I want you to realize the ESs are still in an uptrend whether you want to believe it or not. But that's not the point. The point is a lot of people are watching this on an hourly chart. Is this going to break that? And this that was just working off an oversold condition, this has another leg down to give back everything from the Fed. Right now, I don't see that happening, but I just want you to know it's a possibility in here. The other thing I'm watching is this. ESs, I'm going to put it on a 4-hour chart on the right, on the left. 180, 4-hour chart. On the right, I'm going to go put the Russell. And this is what everybody's watching in here. Is the Russell going to make one of those fantastic moves back to here? Or is it going to break decisively this level on the bottom? If it breaks that, a lot of people think the ESs are going to have another leg down. So that's what we're going to be talking about on the premium side. To let you know, we still have the $7 30-day trial. And to let you know, that includes me in the morning, whether you like it or not, from 9 to 10 Eastern, so we could go over pre-strategy before the opening and then implement those ideas right for the next half hour. Premium videos a lot more in depth than what you hear now. Email alerts. This morning I didn't put out any long or short ideas. All I did was show the overall indexes, and that worked pretty much according to plan. Unusual options, I usually now show that in the video because so I don't have to annotate them on a chart. I can instead explain it on the videos. The meetup is a really powerful area. Every other week I've been doing a class, anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour, interactive class, and every one of those then goes into they're not 99, they're nothing, they're free. Goes into the learning center. Look at all these you get. A lot of places charge that much per video. All of these are included in your subscription. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a great night, and I will talk to you tomorrow.